Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift from me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got the system, my favorite thing.
My first morning waking up in Jamaica. Welcome to or back to the channel. I'm Shawna. Welcome to a maintenance day in the life. God knows I need a maintenance day, okay? I haven't had my hair done by someone for over a year. The last time I had my hair done by someone is when I was in Jamaica last year. Last summer of 2023 is when I had someone here in Jamaica did my hair. Love the install. I love the install. Whenever she does my hair, she just remove 5 years off my face, okay? So I'm getting my hair professional done today. Lord knows I need a manicure and a pedicure. The last time I had a pedicure back in Charlotte was over a month. My nails are horrible, really bad. I'm also thinking about doing a massage today, so I did book a massage in Kingston. I wanted to get my lash done as well, but I'm thinking very hard. Everyone telling me not to do it because every time I do lash extension, it irritates my eyes where I have to take them off, and it's so difficult for me to remove them because it irritates my eye so bad where my eyes are red, it's shut down, my eyes are running water. So that's going to be something I will think about throughout the entire day. I love the look, very convenient. I got my eyebrow done back in Charlotte going 2 years now. So imagine my eyebrows are always made and my lashes like waking up looking with a fresh, beautiful face. I love that look, but unfortunately my eyes are very sensitive. So the glue that they use to do the lashes doesn't agree with my eye, and the irritation is not nice. But I'm thinking about it though. What else am I going to do today? And this is very important for me to know the costs and everything, because coming 2025, since y'all made Donald Trump win, I am so stressed. But this was something I was thinking about before. Coming 2025, I want to spend 5 to 6 months here in Jamaica. I need a break from the States. I'm putting things into place to be here for around 6 months next year. So it's very important for me to know the cost to reinstall a wig, get a fresh wig install, the cost to do braids and stuff. I wanted to do box braid, but the girl won't be available until the next 2 days, and I'm here for a week, so every day is important for me. I'm sitting here talking to you guys and looking at the time because I want KFC to open so bad. Listen, I wake up this morning feeling stressed that Donald Trump win. America, what were y'all thinking? Like, goddamn. But yeah, welcome to another vlog. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe. Let's go see what's the cost in Jamaica to get my hair done, my nails done, a massage. Probably I'm gonna wax my eyebrow. I did it before. Oh, and I need a bikini wax. Listen, we have a lot of things to do today. Let's go out in the streets and see what's the cost to have a maintenance day in Jamaica, because I need to know, so next year I will have an idea of what my monthly expense would be to have a dolled up day. Let's go.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me.
Just got my hair done. I do a pin curl, also with a mesh, so my curls can be fresh when I'm ready to, drop my hair down tomorrow. But tell me why we Jamaicans are like this, right? Why are we Jamaicans always late? The girl that's supposed to get my hair done, she came to work an hour late. By the time she come to work and she sweep her shop, do what she gotta do, that's like an hour and a half in my morning. Everything today is by appointment. So when one person is late, then my entire day is late.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with our bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all.
Oh, you're not? Okay, no problem. I'm thinking about getting the oxtail pasta. I'm having a whiskey sour. My mom is having a mocktail, and her food is already here. I'm sitting here by the window to get some natural light because it's very bleaky here in Portmore. Very bleaky, and normally Portmore is the sunshine city, but because Jamaica's under rain, heavy rain for this week, I would say, because it's been raining. But yeah, 2 days after I got my hair done, my nails, a wonderful massage at Adam and Eve in New Kingston. I got a nice pedicure, my nails done, my hair done. It's been raining every day since I got here. I've been here 3 days now. Portmore normally doesn't get this much rain. It would be raining everywhere in Jamaica, and Portmore is just drizzling. But let me tell you, last night the rain, at one point I was like, no, this is getting way too much. The wind and the window, oh my god. But I did the pin curls after I installed this wig. I got this wig from the TikTok shop over a year ago, last July or June. This is the second time I'm installing this unit, and both times I install them is here in Jamaica. I had this here sitting down for the past year. It's not bad, it's not the best quality, but I got it pin curls to keep the curls longer. Let me tell you, the rain, running from the car to the store to say hi to people, to get food, all that jazz, and the curls drop, it came trashy, all that. So I just borrowed my mom flat iron and, you know, try to do something. This is not the vibe, the look I'm going for, but what can I do? It's a rainy week here. I love my nails though. My nails are nice. I've been rocking my natural nails for 2 months or so. So it's, you know, nice to have a different look. I'm getting used to my nails all over again. I got a wonderful pedicure, but I think I was overcharged with my services. Yeah, I strongly think so because I know like. But today I'm going to have dinner with Leroy and company. We went to brunch yesterday at Constant Spring Road. With my mom, we had the oxtail pasta. My mom gave it a 5 out of 10. She wasn't feeling it. I would give it a 6. It wasn't all that, but the whiskey sour was really good. It was a really good whiskey sour. So that's what we had yesterday for brunch. Yesterday for dinner, I had KFC. Listen, the rain, the rain, the rain, the rain. My trip is not going as I expected it to. I mostly sleep. I eat, sleep, eat, sleep. I guess this trip to Jamaica is for me to just rest. Because let me tell you, I've been sleeping. I'm gonna get ready. Leroy is gonna be here in 30 minutes. We're going to grab some food, drinks, say hi to a few people that I haven't seen in so long.
I think I like how your body feels next to me. Oh, baby, when you're kissing me. Oh, baby, when you're loving me. I can't